Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First, let me briefly go through what we mean by urban chaos. Now, in this rapid growing urban scenario, where man has compromised his quality of living for his insignificant existence in this world, thus, we visualize our future in a place where past wisdom and present knowledge go hand in hand to create a better living. Ladies and gentlemen, may we present to you Transparence 2011, a quest for future. Now, we just want to show how we moved from the past to the future. Basically, the first link that we came upon was we the utopians. It basically means that investing our ideas and forethoughts for now to get fruitful returns in future. Connecting with the community. The communication gap between families and neighbors is bridged through spaces which prioritize on human values. A symbiosis for regeneration. Since our origin, air, water, and all living forms are linked. So we need to capitalize on these links for regenerative living. Now the site is just located outside the metropolitan city of Chennai near the Perangudi Lake, and it experiences a warm and humid climate. The windrows diagram suggests three predominant wind directions: the northeast, the south, which capture the gusty wind, reduces the velocity
8 minutes.
and maintains the internal temperature of the mound through adiabatic mixing. Capillaries on the opposite side. Inspired from this, we have designed a component which drives outside and dehumidifies it through charcoal filters, decreases the velocity CO2 and circulates the air inside the room. The water released during this process is collected through pipelines. Next. The earth tunnel envelope system, the central courtyard, has these inlets which have fans installed in them. Cool air passes through these tunnels and gets dehumidified before reaching the individual ducts which run along the units and then enter the room. Such a system is involved also in the green pockets so as to keep the system efficient and reduce load on a single system by providing more smaller ones. Now let's talk in brief about what we are harnessing in the terms of biotic and abiotic factors. We just discussed about the wind. We are using the earth tunnel envelope system and the capillary structures for the ventilation. Now, it's a thing about taking from the nature and giving back to it. So we are collecting the rainwater, using it for the domestic purposes, then giving back to the DWAT system. So as a grey water, the grey water which is coming out will be going for the DWAT system. The water which will be cleaned from it will be used for parking, cleaning the parking facilities and for landscape. And that water will be going into the groundwater recharge so that in future it can be pumped out, because in groundwater recharge, the water will be filtered naturally. Similarly, for the biotic factors like green, the plants, the electrons which are released during the process of photosynthesis are channelized through conductors to generate electricity. This is a process where a consumer can become as a prosumer, where an individual can produce his own electricity just from his waste. The other thing is lighting up the basement. We have done it through Fresnel glass, which is placed at the top of the terrace level. The daylight which is captured from the Fresnel glass is transmitted through the optical fibers and through the other luminaire, which consists of reflectors. Natural daylight is obtained in the basements. Thus, we now conclude that we see our future in one small paragraph, that imagine not an unworldly utopian heaven, nor a spiritless matter-bound earth, but a world of unspirited matter, spirit grounded in practical everyday reality, a socially inclusive, nature-respectful world, a healing world. It's a small slide.
सनशाइन वाली आशा, रोने की वजह कम है, हंसने के बहाने ज्यादा, जिद है मुस्कुराएंगे, खुश रहने का है वादा, उम्मीद वाली धूप, सनशाइन वाली आशा.
Thank you.